I want your analysis on each ticker. I want in a meeting, what do you think Matic will do from your analysis, not your opinion? Jim Cramer said this, Bitcoin did it. No. From your charting, what is your analysis of what's going to happen? What is your analysis for Bitcoin? I want all four of them separate. What is your analysis for Bitcoin, Matic, PLTR, SPY? And definitely the SPY. I want a full breakdown on what you think is going to happen Monday morning. Because we are beyond overextended. Monday literally looks like the most gorgeous shorting opportunity to slap in the face guarantee, a high probability. But I didn't say 100%. See, are you watching my words? What am I saying? What's the key words I just said, Jay? High probability. I never said 100%. No. Once you start saying 100%, I guaranteed, yeah, this is what's going to happen, you've already lost the battle. I'm going to tell you, as you see it, when you set a stop loss, this is a level where when it hits that, you have to get out the stock so you don't lose more money. You lose a little bit to prevent you from losing a lot. Ready? Look at this. Everyone, page 100. XYZ staircase pattern. Look what's happening on the 1 minute. Perfect XYZ staircase pattern. Same on the 5 minute. XYZ staircase pattern. Once this starts going what? Now we hit a level of resistance here. We're going to see what happens here. Weakness. This is a big complication with a lot of traders. Professor, when do I get in? The body has to fully close above the support. Body has to fully close above resistance. The body has to fully close above trend, below trend. Full close completion. Not a wick.
Those three candles, those three red candles are closed.
What three red candles? Come here, baby boy. Circle that.
These three red candles, they're closed.
Yep.
So you could do it here, right?
But why would you start there? Remember, we start either, if we're doing a downtrend line, we start from the high candle. Always. Okay. Yeah, we never start in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, you're late to class. What are you doing? Sit down, let's go. The book, get your notebook. We got work to do right now. Listen, if you want to sign up, come to the mentorship. Guys, what do you think? Learned a lot? Pull up. Listen, but you're late. Let's go. Page 33. Help them, Sam. Page 33 right here. That's the page you need to go in the book, right? Some people? So let's go. Get the notebook ready. Page 33. Click down below. Make it happen. I'll catch you in class. Boom.